Hey everybody, today in this video I'm going to be building another Lego set in stop motion animation. But I gotta tell you something. My robot companion Boof is going to be hiding in this video. So, what do you gotta say for that, Boof?
Beep, 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 beep.
Well, that's a funny joke to say. You're not gonna do that, right? Hey, where did you get that can of mace? Well, after a long 9-minute wash in the sink, my eyes finally feel better. I don't really feel like opening the box myself, so I'm just gonna get someone to do it for me. How convenient, there's just a ninja sitting right there. Can you help me open this box, Kai? Wow, I knew you were weak, but not that weak. Well, that was anticlimactic. Shut up. You're right, let's just start building, enjoy the music.
Bag one. Bag two.
She was a fairy.